right, I think that's enough listening to my voice or enough listening to music. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy G, back in another video. Today we're gonna unbox and review this true wireless stereo earbuds from JBL Harman. This is the Wave 200 true wireless stereo earbuds. So we're gonna unbox this real quick and check the performance. Mind you, I use a couple of true wireless stereo earbuds already, but currently I stuck to the Samsung earbuds, Samsung wireless earbuds. We'll see if this is actually going to perform well, if it actually has like a better audio than that Wave 200. So let's go ahead and open that up. Now I'm going to put the link down below where I purchased it. I purchased it from Lazada, and it's pretty cheap. I believe I just purchased this from like 3,000 something pesos, which is really cheap, because I remember the Samsung wireless bud cost about 7,000 or something. BTS, Purple Love. So I like the packaging here. It's very snug, very tight. I think it's the very first time that I saw a manual kind of like folded like that. But there's a very thick quick start guide here, which is bundled like money. So let's set that aside. All right, so you only have like 4 tips though, right? And I suppose there's like something installed in it, so gonna be total of 6 or pair of 3. But these are the buds, so I think this is the smallest one. Pretty small, I say. And the medium one, and hopefully whatever is installed there is like the biggest one. And let's see what we got here. Type C cable, so that is definitely Type C, so that's good. And nothing else. So let's get this started to show. Whoa, that is very small. It's just hard plastic, as a matter of fact, so it's nothing fancy. But I actually purchased, or my wife did, right? My wife actually purchased a case here. I believe this is like a Sakura case. We're gonna put that later on. Sakura, the card capture. Kind of like loved that before, but here it is. It's very small, and whew, it's very small. The case is very pocketable, and it's very satisfactory. Look at that. Can you hear that? Whoa. So it's very pocketable. It's very small. It's perfect for women, I guess, because of the color, this one specifically, and it really look fancy. Now, if you actually open this up, it has some tip on it, right? So as you can see, it's lighting the color there, indicating that it's now ready to pair. All right, that pair or that side is already blinking. They're now paired together, and they're ready to be paired to the cell phone. Now, if you notice, again, that is the built-in tip already. I think this is also small. It's not that big. This is the biggest one, rather. And this is like the small one. And I believe whatever is installed there is the medium size. It has 20 hours battery life, right? So I believe that already includes this one. So it's not specified there if it will last like 10 hours or 7 hours. On this, I think it will last 3 hours or 4. I haven't tested that out. But overall, it can last 20 hours, right? Including this battery case. Now, I'm going to pair this to my cell phone and listen to some music and some movies. And I'm going to show you my feedback. I'm going to give you my feedback if it's good or not. I'll be right back. All right, we're listening right now. I'm testing it right now. Connected to my PC, listening to some music. It's the only way we know how to rock. It's very loud. It's touch sensitive as well. So just on the press of your finger, you can actually play pause. Obviously, pressing once will pause and play the music. I'm doing it on the right side, on the right hand, by the way. Let's try double tap. Double tap changes the track, goes to a different song. Man, it's so loud. Both of them are touch sensitive, mind you, both left and right. So again, one tap will pause and play the music. Double tap forwards the song, or like changes track. I don't have the control for the volume though. I cannot like, when you tap it 3 times, it's still gonna change the music. So it's not changing the volume. Let me see if I can drag it. There's no drag on it. Okay, it's actually indicated here. So I just followed it up. If you tap it once, if you notice, it's just gonna play and pause it. If you tap it twice, it's gonna forward the song to the next track. And if you tap it 3 times, it's gonna reverse it or put the previous track. But there's really no volume control on it, so you'll have to connect your or control your cell phone if you want to lower the volume down or increase it to up, or just command it to Siri or to Google to just tell them to increase the volume or lower the volume up. Cool. All right, let me listen to some music more and let me see. Let me provide you my honest feedback afterwards. All right, I'll be right back. Man, it's very clear. I love it. Oh, no, 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 no. Very clear. Jeez. Whew. I love this one. This sounds dope, bro. This sounds ridiculously awesome for like a what? By the way, I managed to purchase this for $2,999 only when I checked my order, but it's actually $4,999 right now in Lazada. I'm showing you the Lazada screenshot right now. It actually increased in the price, or I think this is the original price, so I got it on its introductory price. That is just awesome. Ooh, nah, yeah, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, no. Ooh, I love this. Jeez. Alright, I think that's enough listening to my voice or enough listening to music. Man, this is a steal. I cannot believe that I was able to purchase this in just $2,999, and I bought this as a gift actually to my wife, and man, it sounds so good. It's like it's very expensive. Well, if you check it right now, again, it's 5,000 pesos, but it's still so good. The bass is very adequate. It's like it's perfect, and it's very loud. So you will tone down the volume, which is perfect because it's gonna be clearer, right, without any distortion or anything. I like that. I like that so much. If you're gonna check it right now in Lazada, it actually costs 4,999 pesos, and that's the normal one. It comes in different colors, right? So as you can see, it comes with purple. That's the one that I've got. It comes with a white, like an ivory, and then a blue, which looks like gray as a matter of fact, but it's pretty awesome. And of course, the traditional black. Before we end this up, again, my wife purchased a case. A very interesting one. You see that? So let's see. It's already purple, and then you gotta add more pink here. So why not? Why not coconut? So look at that. So let's go ahead and put this in. I believe this exclusively for JBL 200. Wow. So look at this. There's like something dangling here, but it's just actually the key of Sakura, the card captor. I'm pretty sure that is. If not, probably Sailor Moon or something. But so let's put it back. I'm not used to this stem because the one that I'm using is Samsung, doesn't have a stem, but this one has a stem, but it's fine. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Click the like button if you like this video. Comment down below what are your thoughts on this little JBL Wave 200 TWS, right, true wireless earbud. So just comment down below if you have any questions. Again, I'm going to put the link down below if you want to purchase this in Lazada. It costs 4,999 right now, unfortunately 5,000, but it's still awesome. Highly recommended. So just go ahead and check it out. Please subscribe. It will definitely help me a lot grow my channel. I appreciate that so much. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on the next one. Peace.